Welcome to Bite-Sized Future, your go-to channel for bite-sized insights into the latest AI tools and tech trends. Today, we're exploring the best AI apps that can automatically create your weekly shopping list, streamline meal planning, and transform the way you cook and shop every week. From personalized menus to smart grocery lists and delivery integration, these tools are changing the way we eat. MenuMagic kicks off your AI meal planning journey by offering a deeply personalized experience that feels like having a virtual nutritionist in your pocket. From the moment you input your dietary preferences, favorite cuisines, allergies, and portion sizes, MenuMagic begins to craft weekly menus that reflect not only your dietary goals, but also your lifestyle. Whether you follow keto, vegan, gluten-free, or simply want a mix of new and familiar dishes, it generates diverse recipes that ensure variety and excitement at every meal. The platform intelligently scales recipes for individuals, small households, or large families, automatically adjusting ingredients and quantities. The shopping list feature is where MenuMagic really shines. Every recipe you select is transformed into a smart, organized grocery list, with duplicate ingredients consolidated, quantities adjusted, and items grouped by supermarket aisle to save time. Pantry tracking, while basic, helps prevent overbuying, reducing waste and unnecessary trips to the store. Web and mobile-friendly, MenuMagic provides a smooth experience whether you're planning at home or on the go, with the ability to export lists for offline access. The AI parses recipes accurately, suggests substitutions for missing ingredients, and learns from your choices over time to improve recommendations. With freemium access and premium upgrades for advanced features, MenuMagic also allows manual ingredient entries, so it can be adapted to local markets outside the US and Europe. Using it feels like having a personal chef, grocery assistant, and meal planner all rolled into one seamless app. AI MealPlan enhances meal personalization by acting like a smart kitchen companion that learns your cooking habits, portion preferences, and dietary restrictions over time. From the first login, the AI studies your favorite cuisines, meal timing, and household size to generate a diverse weekly plan that is never repetitive. It accommodates a wide range of diets, including vegan, keto, gluten-free, and low-carb, while adjusting ingredients and portions to match your lifestyle. Shopping lists are automatically created from the meal plan, smartly consolidated to prevent duplicates, and exportable to Google Sheets or Excel for easy access and sharing. Pantry integration ensures that ingredients you already own are removed from the list, saving both money and storage space. Although direct delivery integration is not included, AI MealPlan's fully web-based platform allows you to make tweaks, add local ingredients, and plan meals from anywhere. Recipe parsing is accurate. Substitutions are suggested if items are unavailable, and the AI continues to learn from your meal selections to improve future recommendations. With freemium access for basic use and premium subscriptions for full features, it's a flexible option for users globally, providing a combination of planning, grocery management, and dietary guidance in one platform. Cuvio brings meal planning to iOS with a focus on convenience, eco-consciousness, and reducing food waste. From the moment you start, the AI learns your meal preferences, portion sizes, and dietary needs, producing weekly meal plans that are both balanced and exciting. It intelligently scales recipes depending on whether you're cooking for yourself or a full household, making sure quantities are accurate and ingredients are not wasted. Shopping lists are automatically generated, consolidating repeated items for efficiency. Although pantry tracking is somewhat limited, delivery integration is minimal, so it's ideal for users who prefer to shop in-store. Cuvio's intuitive interface makes it easy to add recipes through text or links, or even by copying from online sources. The AI parses recipes accurately, provides alternative ingredient suggestions, and adapts to your cooking habits over time. Freemium and premium tiers are available, and manual ingredient entry allows users to include local produce and brands outside US and European markets. Using Cuvio feels like having a personal meal planner that not only saves time, but helps you cook smarter, waste less, and enjoy a variety of meals each week. Grocery AI is designed for users who want smart shopping integrated with AI meal planning. The platform learns your dietary preferences, portion sizes, and favorite cuisines, producing weekly menus that feel personalized and never repetitive. Shopping lists are automatically generated and consolidated to remove duplicates while incorporating items already in your pantry. Users can scan pantry items or upload ingredient photos, giving the AI a complete understanding of what you need to buy. Although direct delivery is not supported, Grocery AI allows exporting lists to other apps or printing them for easy shopping. The app works on web and mobile platforms, with a user-friendly interface that makes editing and adjusting lists simple. Recipe parsing is highly accurate. Substitutions are suggested for unavailable ingredients, and the AI improves over time as it learns your preferences. The freemium model allows users to start for free, with paid tiers unlocking advanced features. Manual ingredient input makes Grocery AI especially flexible for international users who need local produce or brands. Auto Meal Chef serves as a versatile AI kitchen assistant, focusing on both meal planning and efficient grocery shopping. The AI studies your dietary goals, preferences, and portion sizes, producing weekly meal plans that minimize repetition while maximizing variety. Shopping lists are automatically generated, smartly consolidated, and organized by store sections to save time while shopping. Pantry integration removes items you already own, reducing waste and unnecessary spending. Delivery integration is limited, but shopping lists can be exported for offline use. Auto Meal Chef is accessible on web and mobile, with an intuitive interface that makes editing plans and lists quick and easy. The AI parses recipes accurately, suggests ingredient substitutions, and refines recommendations over time based on your habits. Freemium and premium subscription tiers are available, and manual ingredient entry allows for global adaptability, making it suitable for users outside US and European markets. Using Auto Meal Chef is like having a smart kitchen companion that takes care of meal planning, grocery organization, and ingredient optimization all in one. MealPlan combines AI meal personalization with direct grocery delivery integration for a seamless cooking and shopping experience. The AI learns your dietary preferences, portion sizes, and favorite cuisines, generating weekly meal plans that scale for individuals or families. Shopping lists are automatically generated, consolidated, and organized by store sections, making grocery trips faster and easier. MealPlan supports direct ordering through Instacart and Amazon Fresh, and lists can also be exported to mobile apps for convenience. Available on iOS, Android, and web, MealPlan's interface is intuitive, allowing recipe input via text or links. Recipe parsing is accurate, substitutions are suggested when necessary, and AI recommendations improve as it learns your cooking patterns. Freemium and premium tiers exist, providing flexibility, although ingredient coverage is primarily focused on US markets. MealPlan creates a complete system that saves time, reduces waste, and lets you shop and cook smarter each week. Ollie AI offers highly personalized weekly meal plans that adapt to your dietary restrictions, portion sizes, and cuisine preferences. Its AI learns your favorite meals, meal variety preferences, and portion requirements, generating diverse menus that keep your weekly meals exciting. Shopping lists are automatically generated, consolidated, and can sync directly with Instacart or Amazon Fresh for easy delivery. Ollie AI's web and mobile-friendly interface allows recipe input and quick editing of lists. The AI parses recipes accurately, offers ingredient substitutions when necessary, and learns over time to improve its recommendations. Paid subscriptions unlock all features, while manual ingredient entry allows users outside US and Europe to include local produce and brands. Ollie AI feels like a fully integrated kitchen assistant, from planning meals to organizing shopping and making cooking easier than ever. NutriScan is built for diet-focused users who need AI assistance to plan meals according to their specific goals. The platform considers portion sizes, dietary restrictions, and meal preferences to create weekly or monthly meal plans that are diverse and satisfying. Shopping lists are automatically generated and moderately consolidated, while pantry tracking is included but limited. Delivery integration is minimal, but the app is accessible via iOS and web, with an intuitive interface for adding or adjusting recipes. Recipe parsing is accurate, substitutions are available, and the AI refines its recommendations as it learns your habits. Freemium and premium tiers give users flexibility, and manual ingredient entry allows adaptation for local produce or brands outside North America and Europe. NutriScan combines dietary planning, grocery organization, and AI learning into a single, practical tool. Dinnerfy provides AI-driven meal planning with a focus on personalization and practical grocery management. The platform learns your dietary preferences, portion sizes, and preferred cuisines to create weekly menus that maximize variety and reduce repetition. Shopping lists are automatically created, consolidated to remove duplicates, and editable, though pantry tracking is basic. Delivery integration is minimal, but lists can be exported for convenience. Accessible on web and mobile, Dinnerfy allows recipe input via text or links, with an intuitive interface for adjustments. Recipe parsing is accurate, substitutions are offered, and the AI improves recommendations as it learns from your behavior. Freemium pricing exists, and manual ingredient entry ensures flexibility for users outside US and Europe. Dinnerfy acts like a digital sous chef, guiding your meal planning while keeping shopping simple and efficient. QuickList leverages on-device AI on iPhone 15 Pro to turn simple meal descriptions into structured, consolidated grocery lists. It learns your portion sizes, dietary preferences, and meal variety choices to create weekly plans that minimize repetition. Shopping lists are automatically generated, consolidated, and editable, although pantry tracking is minimal. Delivery integration is limited, but the app is fast, intuitive, and optimized for iOS. Recipes can be input via text. AI parsing is highly accurate. Substitutions are suggested when necessary, and recommendations improve with repeated use. QuickList is free or low cost, with manual ingredient entry allowing for local produce and brands to be included, making it a flexible tool for users worldwide. Using QuickList feels like having a lightweight, high-speed assistant that helps you plan meals and organize groceries in seconds. Thanks for watching Bite-Sized Future. From personalized meal planning to smart grocery lists and delivery integration, these AI tools can completely transform the way you shop and cook. Hit like, subscribe, and comment on which AI assistant you're most excited to try. Stay tuned for more bite-sized insights into the future of AI.